Hello everyone, this is Hernan and welcome to this video. On this video, we talk about subject-verb agreement, rule number 1. Are you ready? Let's begin. Now, let's take a look at these examples. Which of the following sentences is correct? Letter A, a senator served a term for 6 years. Or letter B, a senator serves a term for 6 years. What's your answer? If your answer is letter B, then you are correct. This time, let's take a look into another example. Example number 2. Which of the following sentences is correct? A. 12 senators are elected every 3 years. Or letter B. 12 senators are elected every 3 years. Now, what's your answer? If your answer is letter A, then you are correct. The two given examples talk about subject-verb agreement, specifically rule number 1. Rule number 1 says, a singular subject must have a singular verb, and a plural subject must have a plural verb. Now, as you can see here, okay, I have here a table, and the table has 3 columns. So the first column talks about the kinds. The second column talks about the singular, and the third column talks about plural. Okay, this table helps us on how to classify a noun and a verb, whether it is singular or plural. Okay, so let's start with the noun. The noun is singular if there is no s or es. And a noun is plural if it has an s or an es. Okay, so as far as verb is concerned, a verb is singular if there is an s or es, and a verb is plural if the verb has no s or es. Okay, that is the concept on how to identify a singular noun or a plural noun, a singular verb, and a plural verb. To understand more about subject-verb agreement rule number 1, just pay attention to these examples. Number 1, she writes legibly. The noun here is she, which is a pronoun, and the verb is writes because she is only one or singular, and the verb should be singular also. Number 2, they write legibly. The noun here is the pronoun they, and they stands for many. That is why our verb here is also plural without s or es. Third example, Kim listens carefully to the teacher. The noun here is Kim, and it is obvious that Kim is only one. That is why we use the verb listens because it is a singular verb. In the next example, we have the students listen carefully to the teacher. The noun here is the students. And the verb is listen. Okay, so the students is plural and listen is a plural verb. So, once again, when a singular subject or a singular subject must have a singular verb and a plural subject must have a plural verb. Try to answer the following with the correct verb. Number 1. Alan planned blank to celebrate his birthday on Sunday. Is it plan or plans? Number 2. The students be blank so noisy. Is it is or are? That's all for subject-verb agreement rule number 1. I hope you enjoyed and you learned something from this video. Thank you for watching everyone, and I hope to see you on my next video.